ओम नमः शिवाय। श्री रामचंद्र भगवान जी, श्री सीता माता जी, कोटि कोटि बार नमस्कार। ओम नमः शिवाय। ओम श्री हनुमते नमः। दिस इज श्री राम जी चैनल। शॉर्ट यूजफुल स्टोरी नंबर 2. The story is regarding Khichdi of courtier Birbal. This is regarding King Akbar and Birbal. One day in the winter, King Akbar and Birbal were moving around the city. King Akbar saw a lake and touched its water. It was very cold. He asked Birbal whether a man can stand in the cold water of the lake throughout the night. Birbal replied, "My king, it is very difficult to stand in the water, but a man who is needy of the money, he can stand." King Akbar asked Birbal to bring such man to him. Birbal begged for some time. The king granted time to the Birbal. After about 2-3 days, a old Brahmin came to the Birbal and requested him for 1,000 gold coins for the marriage of his daughter. Birbal took that old man to the king. King Akbar asked that old man whether he can stand throughout the night in the cold water of the lake without any external help. The man agreed. King Akbar deputed 2 of his sipais to make sure that old Brahmin stand deep in the water of the lake throughout the night. The old man stood in the water of the lake throughout the night and went to King Akbar for reward of 1,000 gold coin, which the king promised to give him if he is able to stand in the water throughout the night. King Akbar asked his sipais whether the old man stood throughout the night in the water of the lake. The sipais replied, "Yes, the man stood throughout the night in the lake water." King Akbar asked the old man how he was able to stand in the very, very cold water of the lake throughout the night. The old man replied that, "My lord, throughout the night I was watching the light of your palace, which was about 300-400 yards away from the lake." Then King Akbar said to the man, "You took the heat of the light of my palace, and that made you to stand in the water of the lake, so you are not entitled for any reward." The man started weeping, but king did not give him any reward. The man went to the Birbal next day and told him all about the incident and the non-receipt of the award from the king. Birbal promised the man that he will see that king gives the reward of 1,000 gold coins as promised by him to the old man. Next day, Birbal did not attend the court of King Akbar. King Akbar was in urgent need of advice of the Birbal. So he asked the courtier, "Where is Birbal?" Courtier replied that Birbal has not come to the court. Akbar sent two of his sipahis to the house of the Birbal and told them to bring Birbal in the court. After some time, this sipahi came back from the Birbal house and told the king that Birbal has told them that he is preparing khichdi for his meal, and as soon as the khichdi is prepared, he will attend the court. Akbar said, "All right, let us wait for the Birbal." Even after 2 hours, Birbal did not turn up. The king was very furious and he said to the courtier that let us go and see why Birbal is not coming to the court. Let us go to his house. They reached the house of the Birbal. King Akbar saw in the house of Birbal that his wife is burning firewood in the garden, and a pot has been kept about 20 feet high where khichdi is being placed, when rice and dal is placed in the pot. King Akbar was very astonished to see this, and he asked Birbal wives, respected wife of Birbal, what are you doing? She said that she is preparing the khichdi. The king asked how the khichdi can be prepared when the pot of khichdi has been kept 20 feet away from the fire. In the meantime, Birbal came there. King Akbar again asked Birbal, "Birbal, what your wife is doing? She is burning the fire on the ground, and she had kept the pot of making khichdi at the height of about 20 feet away. How khichdi can be prepared like this?" Birbal replied, "My lord, how it is not possible that khichdi would not be prepared? When a person standing deep in the lake water can receive heat from the light of your palace, which is about 400 yards away from the lake, in that way, in the similar way, khichdi will be prepared by this fire." Then Akbar realized his mistake. He called the old Brahmin and gave him 2,000 gold coins, although he promised to give 1,000 only as a reward to the old man. Thus, old man was able to celebrate the marriage of his daughter. Now, moral of this story is, hope can inspire people to work very hard and bear maximum difficulties. Thanking you.